police have arrested a biker performing dangerous stunts and wheeling on roads, putting the lives of the public as well as his own at risk. A special operation was launched after the police received a tip-off. A case was registered under Section 279 of the Indian Penal Code and Section 189 of the IMB Act. The bikers were performing public wheeling and making loud noises from 11 p.m. to 2 a.m. on Nagarabhavi Outer Ring Road. Necessary actions have been taken against the accused. The parents have to pay a fine of Rs 25,000 as the arrested are underage. The investigation is still ongoing. Subscribe to Daily Salar Digital to get the latest updates.